going on, guys? My name's Tyler and welcome back to TF Garage. Now I apologize for the video quality ahead of time because I'm meeting up with my friend Luke to go to a car meet at a Meijer's parking lot. It's not sketchy at all, no, not at all. But halfway to Luke's house I realized I forgot my GoPro and my camera equipment. So I'm just going to be using my iPhone and hopefully it's not as horrible as I think it will turn out. So the plan is I'm meeting up with Luke and then leaving from his house to meet up with a couple other guys, and then we're all gonna head out to the Meijer's and see if anyone else showed up. Oh my god! I love coilovers. Oh my god! Oh my god! Is that a Beamer? Is that a 335i with rainbow metallic black mirrors and grille? I've never seen this before. Oh my god! It's a Beamer, guys. Benefits of having a small ass car. Oh shit, I'm in the grass. It's fine, it'll buff right out.
Got like a foot. You're an idiot.
That's why you get a small ass car.
Do you record YouTube videos on your phone?
No. So Luke, legendary Beamer driver, give us a little heads up onto what to expect from your car review.
Wastegate rattle.
Wastegate rattle?
You
Alrighty.
said you're reviewing my car.
I said it. I'm gonna come in the middle of the night and I'm just gonna review your car. And you're gonna walk out and I'm gonna run away.
Okay.
That's how my reviews work.
Alright. And hopefully they don't leave too much black.
What you got there?
Fun stuff. Can I just like, guys, let me know if I'm crazy or not, but like, so Luke's Beamer has two little headlights on each side, and then he has these little fangs here that kind of look like teeth, so it could be a vampire, or hear me out, you know, the one guy, the scientist from Lilo and Stitch who created Stitch, does his car not look like the scientist, like his face? You got the two eyes, and then his like little fangs and like the dimples are the fog lights.
You niggas in trouble, niggas in trouble, you niggas in trouble, niggas in trouble, you niggas in trouble, niggas in trouble, you niggas in trouble. Fresh out the bed, get out the dead.
What'd you say about my car?
Let me know if I'm crazy or not. Got the horses in the back. Horse dog is what? All right, guys, we're on our way to meet up with the other guys. Hey! Hey! We're here at the Taco Bell waiting on other people.
Yeah.
Yo, sick Beamer. Where'd you get it?
Craigslist.
We saw a Nissan. You went through the drive-thru. It wasn't any regular Nissan, was it, Luke?
You need to stop this YouTube channel. It's terrible.
He doesn't know what he's talking about, guys.
It's
This is
only on an iPhone.
premium quality content right here.
You're not alone, Sam. You're not alone. It has X-Drive.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes!
Welcome back to TF Garage.
What's up, TF Garage here, coming at you. Woo! Woo! Woo!
It has exhaust valves in the back instead of
Beamer.
Whatever the fuck you call it. Yeah, you got it before or after? No, I'm gonna do the...
I don't know if you can hear me over the wind, but we're headed to Meijer's.
A few moments later.
So a little bit of an update. I go inside Meijer to use the restroom. When I come out, everyone's gone. I get a phone call. Everyone's racing apparently. And when I finally get out there, everyone starts to leave, but some guy's car is broken down because halfway through a race it just turned off. So now we're all standing around by it, trying to figure out what's going on, and he might get towed.
2 hours later.
All
Alright, we still out here. They're trying to fix his car. This guy was winning against the Camaro SS, whooping his ass, and his car just shut off halfway through. He spent all winter rebuilding it, and this is the first time he ran it hard, so it's kind of sad that it just gave up on him. But we're all still here. Now they're checking out all the Beamer engines.
One eternity later.
Well, the guy's still back there. We decided to head back to Meijer, see who else is here. I think this is where we're going to end the video. You guys, see you next time. Any final words, Luke?